Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to share how I cleared the LTIMindtree's online assessment for the role of Associate Trainee for the batch 2026, and this is exclusively for BC and BSc CS students. And so yeah, I'll break down the exact pattern and my preparation strategy that helped me to clear this first round so easily. So let's get into the video. So for LTIMindtree, they consider three steps for recruiting us for the role of associate trainee. The first step is online assessment, second one is technical HR interview, and the third one is HR interview. So I have now cleared the first round, which is the online assessment, and now let's see what this online assessment consists. So basically this online assessment consists of 4 sections. The first one is quantitative ability, second one is logical thinking, third one is English or verbal ability, fourth one is technical questions. Technical questions means it will be based on the programming languages like Python, Java, OOPS, concept networking, cloud, and all these things. Okay, so now let me say how I approached to these sections. So for each section there were 20 questions. So in total there were like 80 questions, I think so. And the timing was like 90 minutes. So for the each question we can only take like 1 or 1.5 minute. And for quantitative ability, the topics were time and work, speed, distance, time, ratios, percentages, then simple interest, compound interest, average, number system. And the next one, logical reasoning. For that, coding, decoding, directions, blood relations, cubes and dice, and direction and analogy. So from these topics the syllabus were covered for the logical reasoning questions. And then comes the verbal ability section. It's so easy, guys. It's just synonym and antonym, subject verb agreement, grammar correction, to find the odd one out, and the reading comprehension. And the last one, which was so easy, which was technical MCQs, and they basically asked Python, Java, and OOPS concept, networking basics, basics of operating systems, and SQL queries, and C++, Java fundamentals, as I told, and DBMS, database management system. So you should have a basic knowledge in these concepts. So it's easy to clear this round, guys. You just need to prepare well and attempt with full confidence. And yeah, that's all I could say. And the difficulty level of the questions were like easy to medium, and some questions, like 1 or 2 questions, were like highly difficult. From our college there were 650 students for attempting this online assessment, which is only for BC and BSc Computer Science stream students. And from that only 159 students have cleared the first round. And now next we'll be having the technical HR round, and in the next video I'll update about how I did on my technical HR round. So stay tuned, guys. Do subscribe to my channel for more updates regarding placements and job interviews. And thank you.